Loving you is so very sweet, sweet, sweet. How can it be such a piece of cake? And your smile is the icing. Loving you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Love Day to all of you guys. I've missed you more than you guys know. I just want to say thank you so much for all of you that have reached out, just checking on me and making sure that I'm okay. It really does mean the world to me. So thank you guys for that. I love you and I'm very happy to be back. So as you guys can see, I am in a new kitchen. I have moved since my last video. So this is where we're going to be cooking from now on. So I'm going to be doing a two-part Valentine's Day special. I wanted to dedicate both of these videos to you all as a way of saying I love you. So the first one we're going to do is my red velvet cake with an Oreo cream cheese frosting. And then we're going to be doing my Lobster Bisque. You guys are going to absolutely love both of these recipes. Let's go over the ingredients so we can start shaking and baking. Okay guys, so here's the list of ingredients you guys are going to need for the red velvet love day cake. You're going to need some all-purpose flour, you're going to need some cocoa powder, you're going to need some baking soda, some salt, some sugar, you're going to need some buttermilk, you're going to need some vegetable oil, some white distilled vinegar, you're going to need a few eggs, you're going to need a half a cup of butter, which is 1 stick, you're going to need some red food coloring, and you're going to need some vanilla extract. For the Oreo cream cheese frosting, you're going to need, of course, your Oreos. You're going to need some heavy cream, you're going to need some cream cheese, powdered sugar, and some vanilla extract. And that's it, guys. That's all you need. So let's get baking, guys. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to work on the dry ingredients, and we're just going to go ahead and sift this. So I'm going to go ahead and put my flour. And as usual, I will have all the measurements and ingredients in the description box for you guys. The cocoa powder, the baking soda, and the salt. And we're just going to go ahead and sift that. Watch how fast I can sift this, guys. Look at that, huh? Am I quick or am I quick? Perfect. Okay, and we can go ahead and set this aside. And we're going to work on our butter and sugar mixture. Okay, so there's my sugar. Here is my butter. So go ahead and mix your butter and sugar until smooth. Fuck. Okay, Rexy's back. All right, I changed to my handheld blender instead of the immersion blender. I should have known better. Anywho, go ahead and mix this until smooth. So we're going to go ahead right now and we're going to crack in 1 egg at a time. And then mix that. And make sure you guys' eggs and butter is at room temperature, okay? It's really important. And the other eggie. Do you guys call your eggs eggs or eggies? Let me know in the comments. I was talking to a friend the other day and I said eggie and they just thought it was the funniest thing. So, I don't know. Maybe it's a Rexy thing. Alright, so there's the other eggie. Put the buttermilk in. We're going to go ahead and put the vinegar in. We're going to go ahead and put 2 teaspoons of vanilla in. Alright, go ahead and mix that. Perfect. And then we're going to go ahead and add 1 cup of vegetable oil. Alright, that looks good. And we are going to go ahead and incorporate that now with the dry. And just go ahead and mix that until smooth. Alright guys, that looks good enough. At this point, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Mine's already preheated, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and add the food dye. I don't think I've opened this yet. Nope. So I would say probably 1 to 2 tablespoons of the red food dye until you get the perfect red, okay? And you know what red velvet cake looks like. You want a nice vibrant red, but I'll go ahead and tell you, I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon first. We'll see how that works. Mix that in. And you could always add more, so start with a little bit, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and add another tablespoon. Go ahead and mix that. My light keeps on turning off. I'm just having a day already. It's my first video back. I'm already up shit. But I wouldn't be Rexy if I didn't. Am I right or am I right? Alright, see that looks really, really pretty. I'm going to add just a touch more because as you know when it bakes, it's going to lighten up. So I'm just going to put a little bit more. So I would say 2 tablespoons. Alright, perfect. Here is 2 pans. As you can see, I went ahead and buttered them, greased them, and coated them with some flour so it doesn't stick. I'm going to go ahead and mix the sides, getting everything incorporated nice for whatever the blender didn't pick up. And look how pretty that is. And if you want it a little darker, you know, make it a little darker. Play with your color. But I think this is perfect. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and pour it evenly in the pans. Well, as even as I can get it. You never know with Rexy. Go ahead and just kind of shake it a little bit, get the air pockets out. Kind of spread the love. Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven. This is going to take about 35 to 40 minutes. The way to tell is just go ahead and put a toothpick or a butter knife about 1 inch from the side. And if it comes out clean, you're good. Take it out. If not, just go ahead and continue cooking in like 5-minute increments. Okay guys, so while the cakes are baking, I figured we'd go ahead and work on the Oreo cream cheese frosting, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put cheese. It's really my day, guys. Alright, so go ahead and put your powdered sugar. We're going to put our cream cheese. And it's 1 whole package of cream cheese. Again, make sure it's room temperature. It's really important. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and mix this until smooth. Alright guys, that looks beautiful. Go ahead and put that to the side. We're going to work on our whipped cream. So you're going to take your heavy whipping cream. And we're going to mix this until you get stiff peaks. And I will show you what it looks like when we get there. Alright guys, see how that's, you can make a peak with it. That's all it means, okay? We're going to set that aside. And we're going to go ahead and chop our Oreos. And I'm going to say probably 2 cups of the Oreos. Alright. That's good enough. Okay, and then all we're going to do is we're going to put it all together. We're going to fold it in. Don't mix it, okay? Good. Doesn't that look delicious? You know you want some. You know you want some. Alright. I am going to stick this in the refrigerator. In the meantime, the cakes are still cooking. Probably has another 10-15 minutes. And I will bring you guys back and show you the next step. It's going to be a lot of fun. I pulled my cakes out. They were in the oven for exactly 40 minutes. And they're cooked perfectly. If you can see over here, they're sitting on my racks cooling. So what we're going to do is we are going to turn our cake like that. Take the other one. And you're gonna do is you're gonna take a knife and you're gonna cut just the top off, okay? So I'm gonna use this for the crumb. This is so moist, guys, I can't even tell you. Alright, put that aside. I'm gonna get my cake plate. I'm just gonna put that on the bottom like so. I'm gonna put this to the side for a second. So I'm gonna do this one a little thicker so it doesn't fall apart. Hopefully, that's what I'm going for. Perfect. Perfect. Good. So I'm going to put this aside for a second, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. So we're going to take the one better top piece, okay? You're going to need some cute little heart cookie cutters. We're going to use the smallest ones, and I'm going to do these two small ones, okay? You're going to cut out little hearts. So I'm going to do the little ones. They're so cute. Look how cute that is. So that's done. You're going to bring your bottom piece over here like that. You're going to get your delicious Oreo cream cheese frosting out. It's been in the refrigerator this whole time. It smells so good. And I tasted it. Of course, it tastes delicious. You're just going to frost the middle. Beautiful. The other piece, okay? And we're going to put it on top. Just like that. And then we're going to take the frosting and we're going to frost the rest of this cake. I'm going to do it a little thicker because I don't want to pull the cake up because it's all crummy. I'm trying not to, rip it and pull it up. So, I'm going to do it a little thicker. Beautiful. That's done. Put that aside. You're going to take your crumbles and you're just going to crumble it. Crumble up the pieces. And we are going to stick it on the side of the cake like this. Let's just kind of mush it on there. What do you think, Miss Rexy? Think it's pretty? So guys, what do you think about Miss Rexy's dress over there? I made it. I made her little dress. It's actually a little tutu. She got a dress for the occasion. She got to be all bougie and fancy. Okay guys, and then you're going to take the little hearts that we just did. Look how pretty. As best as you can. And you're going to go ahead and just decorate. Just like that. So I'm going to do 4. So I'll try to make it even. Just like that. And we're going to take the little baby ones that we did. And I'm going to put them right in the middle of each. Like that. I'll smush them down just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and refrigerate this for a couple of hours so that everything gets a chance to set. I promise you it will not dry out the cake. And then I'll bring you guys back and I'll cut a piece and show you guys what it looks like. So we'll be back, guys. I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece for you guys and taste it. Look at that, guys, huh? Isn't she a beauty? Look how pretty, guys. I'm going to take a bite. Alright guys, happy Valentine's Day. This bite's for you. I love you all so much. Cheers, guys. Wow, that's really, really, really good. That's really, really good. If you love red velvet cake, you guys are gonna absolutely love it. It's really quick and easy to put together, besides the little hiccups that I had. But it's a fun little cake to put together nonetheless. And it is really cute to do for your loved ones for this Valentine's. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys haven't already. Again, thank you for the love and support. It means more to me than you guys know. I'm really happy to be back. And I'm gonna go get ready for the next video, which is gonna be the Lobster Bisque. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Baby, I crave your affection. When I stepped in sweet confection, honey, you're my sugar.